Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the AirPods battery weight on your iPhone step by step in very simple terms. First, make sure you have AirPods and an iPhone by Apple. Your AirPods should already be connected to your iPhone using Bluetooth. Now unlock your phone and go to the home screen. Next, look at top right corner and tap plus icon. This opens the weight menu. Scroll down until you see batteries. Tap on batteries. You will now see different ways there. Swipe right or left to choose the size you like. Me small shows a simple battery cycle. Medium shows more detail. Large shows multiple devices. Once you choose size and tap add widgets, the widget will now appear on your home screen. You can drag it to any spot you want. When you have done, tap done in the top right corner. Now here's the important part. To see your AirPods battery, your AirPod must be near your iPhone. For best result, open the AirPod case at least once. After that, the battery age will automatically show your iPhone battery, your AirPod batteries, and even charging case battery. And that's it. You have successfully added an AirPod battery weight on your iPhone. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.